Can you imagine a Saint Bernard doing the zoomies? It gets muddy, and so I've got her now. When I say wipe your paws, she puts her two front paws down and she like bows on the mat. I got one of these things. It's not. It's for dogs, but it's got like warm water in it with some soap and feelings inside. Oh, and it came with, okay, these are really, really soft. Some people are saying they're really soft, but they're not absorbent. Anyways, let's see here. Okay. You cry? Okay, wipe your paws. Good girl. What a good girl, wiping your paws. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna wipe your paws. I know. Oh. Hold that. What? Good girl. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Give it a couple turns, and then take one of those claws. Now. Wow. Do you like it? Other paw. Go wipe your other paw. It's just got some, I know. This paw. It's just got like a drop or two of dish soap in it. Good girl. Come on. Are you excited now? Do you like the new things? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay, give me your paw. Come on, not that one. Other one. In here. Put your paw in here. Yeah, in here. Other one. Yes, good girl. Come on. Wow. What a good job that does. Yeah, I'm super impressed. I think Briar likes it too. Don't ya? Okay. She's really pushy. Yeah. You like it? High five? That's pushing me over. Your back paws? Oh, this is a good girl. Yes. Are you happy? Are you happy? You like this? Do you feel good that you're clean and pretty? Yeah? Yeah, your back paw. Not that one. Your back paw. Put it in here. Put it in here. Do you like it? Because it's nice and warm too. So I'm betting after a walk outside in the cold rain, this would probably be like a little puppy paw spa. It's a puppy paw spa. Yes, it is. But there's your beak. Good girl. Good boy. Do you love it? I think you do. Okay. You can do it. You're a smart girl. Come on, sit. And then paw in. You did sit. Now paw in. Come on. I wonder if she will. Bye-bye. Briar. Okay, I'm done. Just occurred to me that you might want to see like the rinse, like what the water looks like after her two front paws. I'm okay. I don't need to do all four tonight. So, is there like a light in here or something?